Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send Ethereum from Binance to Metamask. Alright, so in order to send your Ethereum tokens from your Binance application over to Metamask, it's quite easy. Open up the Binance. Once you've opened up Binance, make sure you have an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So you're on Binance, you've got a verified account. How can you send your Ethereum to Metamask? It's easy. Head to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the overview, scroll to your spot or funding, depending on where your Ethereum tokens are stored. So once you found your Ethereum on here, click on the withdraw option and then simply type in or use the search to search for Ethereum. Click on ETH, click on send via crypto network. Now you're met with the address, network, and withdrawal amount, all of which can be linked up with your Metamask. As if you click on the network toggle, you can find that Ethereum can be sent on different networks like the BNB Smart Chain, the main Ethereum, Base, Arbitrum, Scroll, Optimism, ZK Sync, and many others. Now for this tutorial video, I'll be going with the Base Ethereum. So click on Base, and then we have to provide an address and a minimum withdrawal amount. All right, so in order to get this, minimize and open up your Metamask. Alright guys, so once on Metamask, simply click on the network toggle at the top of the screen once you're at Metamask. So click on this network toggle, scroll till you find the base. If you can't find the base network, which is this base Ethereum network, click on add network and you'd find the base network here, or you can add the network as a custom network. Alright, so once you've added the base network to your list of networks, click on the Ethereum network at the top of the screen, click on base, copy your address, minimize, and then open up Binance, paste the address you had copied from Metamask there, and then simply enter an amount you can send and hit the withdraw option. By doing this, you've successfully withdrawn your Ethereum from your Binance to the Metamask app. So minimize and open up Metamask to confirm its arrival, and boom, we've sent $2 worth of Ethereum over to Metamask. So guys, that's how it's easily done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.